Hello, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Hope you guys have been enjoying the videos I've been doing. Like I said, Friday's 245. I'm going to try to put a couple extra ones in there here and there if I have the time. So please do me a favor. You watch the videos, hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. Alright, so today what we're going to be doing is, I don't know if you watched my last video, I talked about the horn on my Harley Sportster. Alright, I put the pipes on, the bike sounds so good. I'm driving along, I see one of my friends, I want to blow the horn and give him a wave, or if a car cuts me off, I want to blow the horn. Well, I absolutely sound like I'm on a scooter when you blow the horn. I don't know how Harley could make such an American machine with a great sound and not be embarrassed to put a horn like that on it. So I'm looking to do an upgrade to the bike that I don't have to change wiring, add this. I'm looking for something that's a direct mount but sounds a little better, more like an old American car, a little, you know, has a little oomph behind it. So what I did on RevZilla, I found this Denali SoundBomb mini horn. Okay, so reading on the box here, it says the standard horns are about 100 dB. Other aftermarket horns are about 110 dB, and this Denali SoundBomb Mini should be 113 decibels. All right, and that's at 3 feet away from the horn. They're saying they read these, and the product specs: sound output 113 dB at 3 feet, current draw 5 amps, CAN bus compatible, yes, compatible, yes, single piece electromagnetic horn. So this should be just an easy switch out. So we're going to do that today. And before I open the box, show you what's in there, I gotta say I renewed my Hog membership, and they sent me this nice new Hog t-shirt, so that's a good thing. For the price of the renewal, get a shirt, not bad at all. Alright, so let's open this up, see what's in here. Alright, so they give you a little bit of mounting hardware, which I don't think we're gonna need, but we'll find out when we get out to the bike. So this is the horn. We'll take the factory horn off. This should mount right on. The wire should plug right in. Should be simple. And I have a decibel meter. I downloaded. It was an app from the App Store on my iPhone. So we'll use that. At first we'll set the phone, lay it down 3 feet away from the bike. We'll blow the stock horn. We'll get some readings off of it, see what it is. I'll install the new horn. We'll do the same thing. We'll see what the reading actually is, and I will give you my opinion of what it actually sounds like. The meter's one thing, but what you hear is the true reading. Alright, so I hope it doesn't sound like a louder moped horn. I hope it sounds a little more oof. Alright, so like I said, please like my videos, check them all out, subscribe to my channel. And now we will go out to the bike and we'll put this on. Thanks. Gonna blow the horn a couple times and see what sound level we get. All right, let's install the new horn. All right, guys, so we're gonna start doing the install here. First we'll have to take off the existing horn, so I'm gonna actually unplug it first. So we got one off, we got two off, the positive and the negative. All right, and then we got a 10mm wrench here. We'll get the nut off. Okay. All right, got that off. I dropped the nut. I have to find that. Here it is, fell on the ground. Okay, so the old one is off. Okay, now let's take a look at this. All right, the size of the two, the width is about the same, so we shouldn't have a problem there. Let me get the nut that comes with the new one. See if it's also 10 millimeter. It looks, yep, 10 millimeter it is. So what I'm gonna do is, let's see here, let's plug it in first. Okay, so everything I read said you might have to bend the tabs back. We'll go ahead and bend the tabs back, and we'll see if it fits up in there. Okay, not quite fitting in. Trying to see what it's hitting on here. We got that, we got that. Still looks like it's hitting on these tabs, so we'll bend them all the way. Okay, I'm gonna take this one off here and actually try and see if I can flip it around. Flip both of them around actually, so that they're pointing the other way. Hopefully that does the trick. Something is still hanging us up. It's not that. Okay, that is in all the way. It just sticks out a little bit further. All right, so let me get the nut on here. All right, we're gonna get in there with the wrench. Draw it in, tighten it up. Make sure it's snug. All right, and that is installed. You definitely have to make sure you turn the connectors so they face away from the bike frame here, but that's it. It is installed. All right, we got the decibel meter set back up. We're gonna blow the horn a couple of times. Let's see what happens. All right, so as you could see, I don't know if the app on the phone for free is not very accurate, but the new horn actually didn't read as high as the old horn. But I'm gonna tell you, from sitting on the bike, blowing the original horn, it had a very different tone. The new horn is a lot deeper, and to me, sounds louder and more intimidating. but I don't know what to say. I was expecting to see a higher reading on the app. We didn't, but I am still going to recommend the Denali Mini SoundBomb because I think it sounds louder, sounds better, doesn't sound like a moped horn. So I like it and I'm sticking with it. I got it from Revzilla. It was $29.99. So if you have Revzilla bucks like I did, go on there and get it. Mounts right on, no problem. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said earlier, please like and subscribe. And this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.